So my name is Manish Srivastava. I'm a physician. I'm a geriatrician. So as a geriatrician, we specialize in taking care of elderly patients. What I like about Serene Suites is it's focused only in taking care of patients with dementia. So that's their sole focus. You have to have dementia to be admitted into this facility. Because of that, the whole focus of this community is how do we best take care of patients with dementia. The older patients get, they are much more fun to interact with. They have so many different stories. They talk about life experiences, which really enriches you. And it just gives you a very different feeling of completeness. It's not just that you take care of them, it's what they teach you while you're taking care of them. I think that's the beautiful aspect of back and forth, which I enjoy most in geriatrics. What we have realized is patients who have dementia do not tolerate a lot of hustle and bustle or a lot of noise very well. They like to have a calmer environment. And if you look around this place, this is what it is meant for, calmer environment. It's meant for families to be here, be interactive with them. There are different areas across the place where families can sit and interact with their loved ones. The staff here is specially trained. So when they join us, they are trained on how to take care of dementia patients. And throughout their career, throughout the time here, they will have seminars, they'll have teachings, they will be taught how to best take care of these patients. As patients with dementia, as the disease advances, normally they're able to swallow eat regular food. But as the disease advances, just as the other faculties decline, their ability to swallow regular food sometimes declines. So we'll puree those food. Now, the problem with pureed food is that, pureed food just looks like pureed food. So what they've done here is they have these molds. So supposing you want to order a waffle, but it's pureed, but it is molded in a waffle form. So if you look at it, it just looks like a waffle. If you order a burger, it just looks like a burger. Food has to look nice. The geographical location of this place is wonderful in the sense that it is right in the center of Greater Cincinnati area. So it is easily accessible from any part of the town. Not to say that people who are here are only from Cincinnati area. In fact, we have patients who live 20 to 40 miles away from Cincinnati. I feel that a lot of families always have this guilt that they're moving somebody from their home to somewhere else. But we are here to support you. I think the decision which is being made is the right decision a lot of times, because what's most important is to meet the needs of the person, to make sure that they have a safer place to be at and that they get the kind of care that they need. A part of what we do is not just take care of the patient, but take care of the families also. We have support groups where we are able to meet with the patients and their families and help them understand and help them just not feel guilty about it and feel good about the choices that they make. If you have patients who have dementia and they are looking for a place, just let us know. We'll be happy to come and assess them, talk to the patients and their families, and then help you know the next steps.